in our piano, there are all white and black keys. As you can see, there are a group of twos, group and threes, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. And right in the middle of our piano, below the brand letters, you will find a group of 2, just 2. And we can find the 3 white keys right next to the group of 2 black keys, right? The first white key is what we call middle C. As we put our thumb in touch and stay ready now to play in this position, like wrist high and fingertip to the front, not to the side, not wrist down, and we call it ready position. Then ready, play. When we are going play, wrist down and stay in touch to the side. And when you play, you start to lift your wrist back to the ready position, but with the key down. So feel the whole process we call a tone creation process. And then after you hear the end of the vibration, you lift your wrist continuously into the air. There is a full process of creating a beautiful tone. Let's do that again. Stay in touch with wrist high and in touch with the front part of your thumb. Ready, play. Gradually down, up. As long as you play, you are already rising your wrist and contact point back to the ready position. With key down, and when the sound is ended, you lift up with no weight into the air. And then back to another key play when we are getting ready for finger 4. For the twinkle, it's the next note of so. It's gonna using our finger 4. But how can we find the so? Do, do, so, so. That takes us from do, and then ready, re, ready, mi, ready, fa, ready, then so. Yes. As we locate all these sound, the 5 sound, as we have written in the music notebook, we can tell the so is actually among these 4 white keys in between of the group of 3 black keys. As you can find, it is the end of our group of 5. This 5-finger pattern, we call it 5-finger pattern, and to so. Or you can find it to the right of the group of 3 first black key. But so far we are only learning this pattern of 5, so we can directly find it just the note with finger 5, with finger 4. Can your finger 4 find so without counting with thumb? Right after do. Let's try it. Do, ready to play with thumb. Ready, stay in touch, wrist high, play. raise in the air, ready to prepare for finger 4 on so. So get ready for the finger to stay in touch with the key you're gonna play. Ready, wrist high, stay in touch to the front part. Ready, play. And then rise gradually into the air. So you can also try in the piano of this group of do, so, or lower one, do, so. Just to remember where to locate your do, and your 5-finger pattern will find you there with so, but play it with finger 4. So after groups of this practice to locate your do, so, try at every group of register in your keyboard. And then we back to the middle. Let's play Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Do, do, so, so. And then we're going to continue on with our finger 5. La, la, back to so. And then keep going. So all the rest of the notes you'll find by your ear and your finger going down steps, and your ear will guide you there. So the only part you need to practice is to find the do, so, and the rest part you're gonna find it with the help of ears. Let's try it together. Ready, play. Rise in the air and down to your legs. That's the